Me mama nyina afisha fa bia senhia we de brain ya na ye die wie so na me sisentwi eda so wo me ha sei o se obekire se ne ye leftovers ne ye de burger wheat be tiji akonya na me so be di makonya de twa me to TV this ne fa nhihia so efisi ebe koyi ye to aso this is ne wo wa he ne ebe ko ne wo.
Okay, me burger wheat na me use ne no ne me fa 1 cup and a quarter.
Okay,
into me jane me spring onion, me cooked ham, me cooked carrots, and me cooked turkey. Then your leftovers for Christmas dinner. And I me walk 1 clove garlic or her. And I me walk black pepper. And I me walk me parsley.
Dry one.
Okay. And a salt to taste.
So they are simple crowd.
They are simple.
Hey.
It's allowed to be bien.
Yeah, that's it. Tiani ebusia for di akonya ne nkeka mbomuma.
Okay, it's me din sio kakra bia esiso. With the salt to taste. Kakra ebegum.
Okay.
Not just what steaming it to the texture one casawa.
Tinyasa wo no awu steaming kakra. Okay.
It's na me hwie gum. Enti me di me jene ne ka ho.
Oh, okay. Kebusia for bo modia na try bi mama na ekoyi nya da na edi e mo.
Nya da na edi e mo.
And we see a good for person who lose weight and okay.
Person cut cups down. Carbohydrates.
Now what you see?
Okay, into me cut up to let's steam it for 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, ekoyi.
Ekoyi. But I say a year day.
To me finish your kakra kan. Okay. Nti nsuo ne dia wasa odugum sane ne mre no.
Yeah, but me eya me penny den.
Okay.
Yeah, but wo di gum prekon so a wan sha akoye chaka.
Okay.
Nti me ya ne kakra na mash.
Okay.
Yeah. And I feel so shop bia a different.
Okay.
You say a more we big jeans.
Okay.
Until my next team make a cry to us.
I was here for Mrs. Entry some person as your beshinti ye de ye cook no daddy and bako atoso so na pega na paso kakra say be ya as ye shinti we see another technique. Yeah, to us so.
Until Tisia the tinefiso. Until after they okay now.
They say they are okay. Tienhwie ne ento aso. Okay.
Enti sesi a me di me olive oil go me chance.
Enti sesi to me use olive oil bi a ope.
Put me use olive oil bi a ope.
Oh, okay.
Enti me the garlic kakra me wo ego. Just garlic to give it a bit of flavor.
Eh bro for some ya mu do.
Enti wo ma na cheap bebre.
Okay.
That's with it. We cooked and they are
okay.
Yeah.
Hey, where did that down actually by?
How did spring onion? But we be and chill anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, black pepper and then we'll parsley so
Papa no. So where the fried rice in meal? Come.
See, I am more high soy sauce with the food.
You should say about 1 tablespoon.
About 1 tablespoon.
No. Papa no.
So that's done. Okay, we see for see I my country. I didn't nice, but I think so. Original my vegetable will like it. And I also will like it.
Hey, now who dear Biana Yabotre? I was there for money maconia and dish mamma. I was here for your burger wheat in that cameo. Naturally, send you no. Ha! Hello. I'm from after the dorma. I was here for add with your leftovers be a fridge of the cabo. Send them Mrs. Entry. I bet you so near Queen. If Mommy answer, Uber tribe, Yamam Nafe, would jam a comment and so no other Mrs. Entry. I say, man, why ya, dear Musa, was a son, you knew animal my can't wear no, and yet the Biana be dear most of us, I would see a more so I bet to me the way so I be acquainted. Mrs. Entry. Yeah, that's it. Into me, the yummy, yummy, Aduma, your best. I love you. God bless. Mwah.